Let us find this problem. We have a plus 2 in parentheses to the power of 4 equals 16. Solution from here. Now, we have a plus 2 in parentheses to the power of 4 equals 16. This is the problem given to us. We have a plus 2 to the power of 4, a plus 2 in parentheses to the power of 4. Let's have 16 in base 2 as 2 to the power of 4. Let's take this 2 to the power of 4 here so that we can apply the algebraic expression. So we have a plus 2 in parentheses to the power of 4 minus 2 to the power of 4 equals 0. Then let us recall that when we have x to the power of 4 minus y to the power of 4 equals x minus y in parentheses again times x plus y in parentheses again times x squared plus y squared, all in parentheses. So applying it here, we can now discover that we have our a plus 2 to be equals x, then our y to be equals 2. So having it here, we have a plus 2, then from here will be minus 2. Here will be a plus 2, then plus 2. Then this will be a plus 2 square plus 2 square. So we have everything to be equal 0. This cancel out this. We have a outside. Here will be a plus 4. Then the expansion of this will be a square plus this will be 4a, then plus 4, this plus 4 equals 0. So we have a times this will be a plus 4, this will be a squared plus 4a plus 8 equals 0. Now from here, let's apply zero product rule. So we have is either a equals 0, then for this left hand side to be equal 0, or we have a plus 4 to be equal 0, and from here we are going to have a to be equals minus 4, or we have a squared plus 4a plus 8 to be equal 0. And of course, this is a quadratic equation. We have to solve it quadratically. So from here, let's define the following parameter. Our quadratic a, let's call it star, to be the coefficient of a squared here, 1, and then our b to be the coefficient of a here, 4, then our c, the constant of quadratic. So therefore we have our a, then positive or negative square root minus b, positive or negative square root of b squared minus 4a star times c over 2a star. We have a, here is already 4, so here with minus 4, positive or negative root of 4 squared Then this will be 4 times A is 1 times C, 8, then over 2. Then we have A minus 4, positive or negative. Here will be 16. Then here will be, we can have this as 8 times 2 is 16 times 2. We can have it as this over 2. So from here we have A minus 4, positive or negative. We have 16 into 1 minus 2 over 2. So we have A minus 4, positive or negative, root of 16 times minus 1 over 2. Then when you have root of minus, you have B times minus A equals as root of B times root of A times root of minus 1. So applying it here, we're going to have A minus 4, positive or negative, root of 16 times root of minus 1 over 2. So we have our A minus 4, positive or negative. 16 is a perfect square, so we have it to be 4. Root of minus 1 is a complex number, and we have this to be I always, over 2. So we have A minus 4 over 2, positive or negative 4I over 2. So we have A minus 4 over 2 is minus 2, positive or negative. This 4 over 2 is 2I. So we have this to be equals this as the value of A, which is a complex solution. We call this complex solution, and the reason is that because we have I here. This I indicates that we have a complex solution. Then let us go and check. We have both complex and the real solution. We are given this. So we have the following solution. X equals 0, A equals 0, comma, minus 4. We also have A to be equals minus 2, positive or negative 2I. So to check, from A plus 2 in parentheses to the power of 4 equals 16. When A equals 0, 0 plus 2 to the power of 4 is going to give us 16. 2 to the power of 4 equals 16. Minus 4 also will be minus 4 plus 2 to the power of 4. It's going to give us 16. This will be minus 2 to the power of 4. It's going to give us 16. This will be affected, this negative. It will be 2 to the power of 4 equals 16.